Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I wanted to do a haul video unboxing gift ideas all in one because I've been getting a lot of stuff for the house for Christmas, holiday decor, things like that. And also I've been buying Olivia's Christmas gifts, so I wanted to give you guys some ideas just in case you have any toddler in your life that you want to get a gift for this holiday season, and clothes and bags and all that good stuff. So I'm super excited to get into it. I'll have everything that I can link down below. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. So much content coming, so stay tuned for that and let's get into it. I know y'all are gonna think this is from the HG8. It's not. I saw it on tjmax.com and it was on sale, so I decided to get it. It was under $100 and I love Longchamp totes. I think they're 100% worth it. Amazon has a really good dupe, but when I saw this color I couldn't resist. I love the fact that it looks like a nude neutral, so it would go with so many things, but it's actually like a dusty pink and it's so cute. I've said this a lot on my channel recently, but anything that I can wipe is it. My first real bag in a hot minute. And these remind me of my grandma and my aunt because she would only use those. I have some clothes from TJ Maxx online. I got this really soft pullover that's like an inside out fleece and it's so soft. I love the collar with the long quarter zip. I also got it in this beautiful color, which this is the color that I'm gonna keep. The white unfortunately was a little too sheer, so I'm just gonna get the matching sweatpants for this because this color is so pretty and perfect for this time of year. I'm not showing a ton of holiday decor because I'm gonna do an entire house tour with every holiday purchase and how I decorated it, but I had to share this before it sells out. It is the cutest little ornament from Anthropologie and it's kind of like a mini replica of the most popular bookshelf and it's so cute. Look at the mini volcano candle. Look at that. It's so precious. I'm obsessed with it. It's going in my office tree, but I had to share. I got a few things for the house. This I think I'm gonna send back. It's from H&M Home and it's like a little wavy mirror. Well, it's like super cute. I don't think the size is right for our house, and if so I would need to get two, and this is already too overpriced, so I'm gonna return it, but it is pretty cute. If you watch my channel, you know I love me a Barefoot Dreams dupe from Amazon. They have really good ones for under 50 bucks. However, recently I found out about this store called Tuesday Morning, kind of like a liquidation store, and they have Barefoot Dreams. I did a TikTok about it. Y'all need to go. I got this huge one, super soft and nice and thick, for 50 bucks, but I'm obsessed. They had all sorts of neutral colors. They also had a really pretty green and pinks, and I would say the biggest difference between the Amazon ones and this one is just the thickness. The fabric feels the exact same, but this one is much thinner and lightweight, and this one just feels a little more plush and full. I don't know if I've shown y'all this yet. I got the cutest little gingerbread house pillows from Pottery Barn. I love the fact that they're completely neutral, so they really match up with our color scheme in the living room, but they're so festive. You can see better here. It's like a Sherpa embroidery and the top is faux fur. So soft, so cute, a really good size. They're pretty overpriced, not gonna lie. They're adorable. Let me show you the fireplace set that I found for less than $50 at homegoods.com. They have the best stuff. HomeGoods, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, they're all kind of like sister stores, but they have amazing stuff online. I went with the brass handles, but everything else is like iron and beautiful. And we don't use our fireplace a ton, but when we do, we always have to improvise with stuff because we don't have the right tools. So, and I kind of want to get a log holder, so if y'all have any suggestions on which one to get. My only concern is obviously Olivia, but we'll see. I got these really pretty bells from Amazon. They come in a 3-pack. They're gorgeous. Then I found these at Zara Home that are vintage, kind of like rustic ones. So which one should I do? Should I do like one of each on each side of the gold, or should I just put one of the vintage? I know it's hard to see the vision when you only have this much, but if this helps, our stocking holders are kind of like this washed out brass. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I also found this from Zara Home. It's so pretty. It's like an antique rusty look candle holder. I got the white base instead of the taller one because that one was sold out, but I actually like this one better. I think it's so cute. Also for Anthropologie, I picked up these bookends that are so gorgeous. They were on sale. And then these are from Amazon. They are board games, but in this like really pretty packaging. Then from Hobby Lobby, I got this really pretty floral art piece that I want to do like a whole gallery wall, but it didn't work out with the color scheme. So instead I put it in the shelf, and I think it looks so pretty with everything else. This for a gift guide. I want to do a gift guide that is non-Amazon gifts, like for people that have everything. And this is one of the things. I think this is adorable. It comes in every single letter, obviously, white or black. My letter just happened to be the black one, and I think this just like stands out a little bit more since everything in the house is so white. But this is really cute, very nice and heavy, cute for like a cheese board or something like that. I like it. Also Anthropologie, also sending back, is this little car wine or bottle holder. I thought the idea of it was really cute for a gift guide, but this is so overpriced for what it is. The gold tone looks straight up yellow and super dull. So I think I'm gonna return this. Even though the idea of it is cute, I cannot believe the price. I can't even tell y'all how much this is because it's embarrassing. From TJ Maxx, I got this. Zara Home has an exact one for triple the price. I paid $15 for this, and it looks like an ornament, but it's like a little night lamp. I feel like this could be easy to DIY. I got this for my husband for his birthday, but I'm definitely returning this. Once again, the quality is just super disappointing. I feel like sometimes Anthropologie really drops the ball when it comes to the quality, because if we're spending that much money on a product, the quality should be up to par, and this thing is like over $100, I think $160. And it's just not, like, it's nice and heavy and stuff, but it's already chipping, all scratched up. I do like the detailing that these are opal something. So expensive. I did get it on sale, but like, no. I got Olivia a bunch of Christmas gifts. This little baby doll baby carriage that is rattan. I got so many things a few weeks ago. I did a whole reel over on my Instagram, but when I found this one, I was obsessed. Like, I had to get it. It was $40, and she was playing with it this morning. We even put Skippy inside. Don't worry, he actually loves being in strollers, so he loved it. Zara Home is my newest obsession, and unfortunately it is extremely pricey. These were $15 each. But how cute are these? They're little toddler plates or silicone, and they're just so cute. I don't know if I should keep both, so do let me know what you think. I got Olivia 2 backpacks for Christmas. Once again, I haven't decided which one I should keep. I just feel like this one is so cute, such a good size, and just imagine her like in a year or so carrying a little backpack around. I'm obsessed. Then we have the matching pencil case for that very pricey backpack. This was indeed $25, dear Lord. Oh my God. Wait, I just realized something. They left this on. I bought it online. How is that possible? Oh no. I didn't notice until now because I stuck everything in this bag. Okay, I'll deal with that. Good thing I'm filming this haul. This is gonna go in her stocking. It's a little pennant. I don't really know. From H&M Home. This is from Target's dollar section. Olivia loves play with cooking utensils, imitate my cooking, so I thought, I just hit myself. I thought maybe she would like this. This, on the other hand, I'm very excited about. It's like a cutting set, so she can cut like a banana or something like softer with this avocado cutting board. It's a charcuterie board set, like a cute little stocking stuffer. And then another little stocking stuffer. She is actually really into stuffed animals right now. She like grabs them and hugs them, and it's the cutest thing. So I got her this because she actually loves I can't even say it. She loves ducks. I can't. If you know me, you know I am terrified of birds. Terrified. So I thought I would get her this since she loves them, you know, to support her endeavors. This is the best thing that I got, even though I'm pretty sure the monogram is a little bit off-centered. It definitely is. I hate that. Why is it off-centered? Whatever. Oh my god, y'all, this is gonna bother me. And I can't send it back. Okay, whatever. It's a little backpack from Zara, and it's padded and it's monogrammed, and it was $32. It is pretty small, but I thought this was so cute. I couldn't resist that. My brother came over the other day. He saw this and he's like, are you kidding me? Like, are you kidding me? And I am not. This is for Olivia. One of my friends got her a set of the little princesses from this collection. It's a Little People collector, and she loves those princesses so much. And I haven't really been to Walmart or Target and seen what else they have, but I saw this on TJ Maxx, grabbed it immediately. I don't know, I love The Office with a burning passion, so does Dante, so I thought this was fitting. Obviously she won't know, she doesn't even know who the princesses are anyway, but I think this is cute. I try not to get her a bunch of toys because I'm constantly in the dilemma of we have too many toys, we don't have enough toys, this is so cute, I want more, no, the house is a mess. It's a waste of money, I guess, to spend a ton of money on toys for us when we have so many. So instead I went kind of like a more practical route, and this is mostly for me. In case you couldn't. Target has the most adorable kitchenware for Christmas, and this Christmas tree platter was freaking adorable. I actually got a ton of kitchenware from Target. I'll show you guys like real quick the little TikTok I did, but everything is just so darn cute, so I had to share. But most of it is not available online, so I would just go to a store and check the kitchen section because they have so many things. I've been buying a lot of ribbon. I've never been a ribbon person. I don't even use it for my gifts, but TikTok was inspiring me. I got 2 rolls of Amazon that I'm sure I'll share soon, but these are from TJ Maxx and they're so freaking pretty. I'm doing a lot of like pinks when it comes to our wrapping paper, so I thought these would like complement and like be like a pop of color while still being super Christmassy. Anthropologie has the exact same ones for like double the price. And then I got these super cute little picks or TJ Maxx for $3. I thought these were so cute. I know I am not supposed to host anything anymore because my best friend and my husband are like so over it, but I'm not. I want to do like a little Christmas dinner, and I'm definitely having to host Thanksgiving, so I wanted to get some cute things for that too. So guys, that is all for today's haul video, just like a very collective chatty haul. But yeah, I've been doing a lot of shopping, I guess. I'm a little bit too out of control this year, where like I see myself spending too much and I'm just like, girl, you gotta chill because we have too much crap in this house. So I'm gonna try not to spend any more money on Christmas decorations. Hopefully I'll hold myself accountable to that. So I'm just looking around and we just have crap on top of crap on top of boxes because of course everything's online. So I'm gonna reel it in, but I wanted to share some of these things just because they'd make good Christmas gifts, and also because some of them just aren't worth it. So I like doing stuff like this on my channel. If you enjoyed these videos, definitely give it a big thumbs up. I should have a gift guide coming up very, very soon, so stay tuned for that. I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one.